I'm always looking for group buy quality keyboards that are in stock. The Momoka Zoo65 originally ran as a group buy from March of last year, but has since been available with several vendors as an in-stock keyboard. I picked it up from Candy Keys in Germany for €182, a price point which does place it in the budget arena for an aluminium keyboard, but I wouldn't call it entry level. The keyboard has a very nice and sought after specification with a 65% layout, an all aluminium case, a gasket mount, a flex cut Hotswap PCB, a flex cut polycarbonate plate included with the kit, and a flex cut FR4 plate available as an add-on. You also get dampening included in the form of plate foam, a switch mat and case dampening. The case is all aluminium with an anodized and sandblasted finish, and it has this neat top frame instead of the more common full top case. The Zoo65 is a nature themed keyboard with a dodo CNC'd onto the bottom of the case and fish along the top side of the case. You can see the configuration in this exploded view, which shows you the add-on FR4 plate in the build, and here we can see the dimensions and the 6-degree typing angle created by the form factor of the case. So let's get this thing built and do some typing tests. We're going to be trying 2 sets of switches, a set of C3 Equalz Kiwi tactiles, and a set of Affleon Tropical Waters linears. We'll be using a set of Novelkeys Cherry Sage keycaps, and we're going to be using all the included foams. For stabilizers, I'm actually just using a generic set of screw-ins that came with another budget aluminium keyboard, and I'm sick of seeing them in my switch and stabilizer drawer. So let's get on with the build. In terms of the typing sound and feel, we most definitely have group buy quality from this stock keyboard, and I hope that came across in the typing test. The gasket system is actually really consistent across the keyboard. Of course, we have more flex in the middle of the alphas as you would expect, especially with flex cuts, but the top and bottom rows actually have a decent amount of movement from the 3mm pour-on gaskets and the polycarbonate plate. The Kiwi tactile switches don't really do much in terms of showing off the sound of this keyboard, but damn, they feel nice, and these will be the set that stays in the keyboard for use. The Tropical Waters linear switches, on the other hand, really showed off the beautiful creamy sound profile you get when you use all the foams, and the long pole stems really made the spacebar pop. The Novelkeys Cherry Sage keycaps really suit the nature aesthetic and the anodized green case, and another great keycap set for this would be the GMK Zooted, which is very similar. In terms of the look of the keyboard, I'm really drawn to the view when looking down on it, mainly because the top frame makes for this really interesting bordered look. I would have liked to have seen different coloured top frames available as add-ons, and I really think that this was a missed opportunity which would have added some greatly appreciated user customization. I really like the sandblasted and anodized finish, and all three of the colorways available on the Candy Keys website look great, but the hunter green just suited the nature theme for me. Given the choice, I would prefer the keyboard without most of the CNC embellishments, namely the dodo on the bottom and the fish on the top edge, leaving behind just these milled grooves and the Momoka lettering above the USB-C port for a much cleaner look. Of course, the dodo and the fish embellishments create the theme of this keyboard, as is indicated in the Zoo65 name, but that would have been enough to stop me buying the keyboard had I not been looking for interesting keyboards to review. I'm glad I did get the keyboard for review, as I'm incredibly impressed by it, so much so that it's going to be a part of my long-term collection. The Kiwi switches I'm leaving in this keyboard are perfectly pre-lubed tactiles, and I just balanced and re-lubed the stabilizers I had, so this one took very little work, required no further modding, and turned out great. If you like the nature theme, I highly recommend getting this keyboard.